A very pleasant good morning to all my friends and the members present over here. I, Aditya Kumar Bharadwaj, a student of class 9, studying in Amarvani Convent School, standing in front of you all to recite a beautiful, motivational, and some few tips to help you to get busy yourself in this challenging time. So, I want to share with you something which is giving me a motivational power and inspirational power in this challenging and very hard time. We all know that COVID-19 pandemic impacted all of us in several ways. We can't go to schools, we can't go to tuitions, we can't meet with our friends, we can't meet with our relatives, we can't meet with our teachers, which is giving us a motivational power and as well as inspirational power. For me, some days are more challenging than others, so there will be a bad days. Be calm, touching your grip and opening each palm. Be confident, and if today is a bad day, then tomorrow it will be a good and lovely day. It undoubtedly, we all know that. Be gracious. Remember, each hand will get you back from the area by which you can't get back. Okay. Be diligent. Remember, each every black cloud is a smoke screen only, and the result is that sun and moon is still present in our life. Like this black cloud, this corona is also a temporary problem. It will be disappear very soon at very soon of time. Okay, we all know that nothing is permanent in this life. Okay, so there are some 6 tips, so it will help you to get motivated in this challenging time. So I want to request you to request only to you that don't only listen this but also establish these 6 tips in your life. First tip is that set small daily goals. Setting small daily goals help us to be more focusing and be more motivated towards your main goal of your life. Second one is that carve out time in your work and for relaxation. If you divide your time for work and for relaxation, it will be very good, and it will also good impact for your work and for your health also. Okay, so divide your time for work and for relaxation. Do work and also do rest also. Okay. Third one is that prioritize your mental health. Don't be scared. We all know that nothing is permanent in this life. I have said earlier also, and I am saying now also. Nothing is permanent. Don't be scared. Only follow the protocols and do your work. Okay. And I also want to share with you some ways to get yourself busy in this challenging and very hard time that we are facing from past 8 to 9 months. First tip is that let's do yoga and detox. Doing yoga help us to keep your mind calm and also increases your immunity power. Second one is that grow plant at home. In our day-to-day work, we are not getting sufficient time to planting at home. It is a time only we are getting, so utilize this time. Third one is that spend time with your family, because in our daily and busy schedule we are not getting sufficient time to spend with our family. So this is the only time we are getting to spend with our family. So I only want to request you utilize this time and spend time with your family. Fourth one is that clicking photographs, start doing paintings, etc. It's also very helpful to get you busy also in this challenging night. So at last I only want to thank our honorable principal Sister Mary Rajna, our vice principal